Okay, these are the tilt meters. We are going to place a small piece of shrink tubing to prevent chafing, and we insert it here on the tilt meter line. We leave about 1 inch. That's the flexible part that you cannot interfere with, and we're gonna shrink it on. Now we are taking a cement brick, which has previously been rigged with a hoisting point and a chafe protected connecting line. We're taking our tilt meter, which has already been programmed to run. We're going to feed it through a hole which we have previously drilled in the cement brick, making sure that the anti-chafing section is where it connects. Then we have a short piece of rigid tubing that we insert on this tail. We push it up all the way against the cement, putting a washer on it, making a small knot to secure it, and that is done. And now this device will float underwater and tilt with the current. That's done. Now we're gonna cut a length of this this is weighted poly line, so it will not float, it will sit at the bottom. We're gonna spool off about 30 feet of it. There. 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. Enough with the knot. We're gonna section this.
You need a hot knife, dude.
I do need a hot knife. It would be so much easier. Okay, this is ready. Now we are moving on to the recovery system. This is a ballast, a weight. We have put a loop to this weight attached to it. And this is our time release Popup buoy. We are going to connect to this. Basically, we are just going to loop it through. So it's connected, and that's the fusible element here that is gonna be corroded away when the battery is energized at the appropriate time. And here I'm going to attach the recovery line. And that completes. Oh, I think it jumped. Okay. A couple of clove hitch to secure it. it's done. So this one will stay in the water like this. It will float, attached to this line, and then at the moment that this lets go, the buoy will float up to the surface, pull off this whole spool, and we'll be able to recover it at the surface. So this is done.
Just a note, make sure we remove the tape before deployment.
Remove the tape. Remove the tape that says the Popup date. And now we have to connect the main tilt meter to this system here. I'm not sure whether I want to connect it directly to this, maybe. I think probably the best. So we'll connect it directly to the weight with hopefully some meaningful knot, like that. A couple of hitches.
For reference, these knots can be found in the Oceanographer's Handbook of Knots and Splices for Deployment of Instruments.
It's edited from Bologna also. This is done. Okay, so the system is ready and done.
Good job.